In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on tasks with team members in Todoist so you can keep your projects organized, assign work clearly, and avoid confusion about who is responsible for what. This is a super useful workflow for teams because Todoist makes it easy to share a project, invite collaborators, and quickly create tasks for the right person. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple productivity tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to your sidebar. From there, click into any standard project folder that you want to collaborate on. This is important because collaboration happens inside shared projects, so choose the project where your team is actively working. Once the project opens, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the share icon, which looks like a person with a plus symbol next to it. Click that share button to start inviting people. After clicking share, Todoist will ask you to enter the email addresses of the team members you want to add. Type in each email address carefully, especially if you are inviting multiple people. Once the addresses are entered, click Invite. Todoist will send out the invitations, and your teammates can join the project from their accounts. This is the first step in turning a normal project into a shared workspace where everyone can stay on the same page. Now here's something very important to understand. Todoist uses a strict one person per task rule. That means a task can only have one responsible person assigned to it. This helps prevent confusion, double work, and unclear ownership. So if you've added team members to the project, make sure each task is assigned to just one person who will own that item from start to finish. That way, everyone knows exactly who is responsible, and your team can move faster with less back and forth. To create a task for a specific teammate even faster, Todoist gives you a really handy shortcut. Press Q on your keyboard to open the quick add window. This is a great time saver when you want to add work without leaving what you're doing. In the task field, type your task as normal and then type a plus sign followed by your teammate's name. Todoist will automatically recognize the person and assign the task to them, as long as they are already part of the project or workspace. For example, you might type something like, finish the client presentation and then add plus, followed by your teammate's name. That instantly makes the task easier to route to the right person. This is especially helpful when your team is handling a lot of tasks and you need to assign work quickly without opening extra menus. The best part is that once your project is shared, collaboration becomes much smoother. You can add tasks, assign ownership, and keep everything in one place instead of sending messages back and forth across different apps. It's a simple system, but it makes a big difference for team productivity. So to recap, open your project folder, click the share icon, invite your teammates by email, remember Todoist's one task per person rule, and use the Q shortcut plus your teammate's name to assign tasks quickly. That's the fastest way to collaborate in Todoist and keep your team organized. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next productivity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.